Here are the 5 mistakes that kept me from glowing up. I spent the first 19 years of my life overweight with a Gibby build. And I could have solved that problem so much sooner if I didn't make the mistakes that I'm about to tell you about in this video. I also suffered with severe acne. And again, I could have suffered far less if I didn't make the mistakes that I'm about to tell you. So with that being said, mistake number 1 is not realizing that food has a direct effect on your skin and your physique. You are not DK Metcalf, lil bro. You cannot go about your day drinking frappuccinos and gummy candies and expect to have the physique of a blessed black male. It doesn't work like that. So if you are overweight or you do have bad skin, you must take a look at what you are eating on a consistent basis, because the foods you are eating are exactly why you have 2 love handles that look like grandma's fresh muffin rolls. Lock in, brother! If you don't know where to start, then focus on eating 3 balanced meals every single day. You may be asking, what does a balanced meal look like? A balanced meal is a protein, a carb, and a vegetable. For example, you may eat a ½ pound of grass-fed beef along with a portion of sweet potatoes and then some grilled asparagus. And that is a good balanced meal that your body will thank you for in the form of a better physique and a clearer face. Mistake number 2, not getting sleep. I've said it in videos past, and I'll say it again. You must start thinking of sleep as if it's some superhuman regen incubator that you get into every night. Just like Captain America, because sleep is the #1 catalyst for your body's ability to transform. When you tear down your muscles in the gym, the thing that is gonna repair your muscles and make them grow bigger is sleep. When you're trying to do good things for your skin, like hydrate and eat healthy, the transformation of your skin going from pepperoni complexion to glowing SpongeBob is dependent on how well you are healing in your sleep. So you must prioritize it. And if you don't, then you will continue to have the aura of the sleepless, dark-skinned girl in your class who is constantly, where are my hot fries? Mistake number 3, not reading. Reading is so important for broadening your mind, because as much as diet and hydrating in the gym are important for your body's ability to transform, what's most important is your ability to be consistent with them. And if you don't have the proper mindset, then you will fail to be consistent. And reading will broaden your consciousness because you're reading the thoughts of somebody who already did what you want to do. This will force you to develop a vision for who you want to be. This will make you believe in things that you couldn't see before, because the act of reading is broadening your consciousness to make you envision and believe in states that are greater than the state that you are in right now. Mistake number 4, not getting sun. This is the same sun that humans have worshipped for thousands of generations. But you're sitting here like Howie from Benchwarmers, afraid to get out in the sun without your 50 SPF. Don't you think there's a reason why you still look like Fregley from Diary of a Wimpy Kid? It's because you're not doing such a vitality-filled act like getting sun on a consistent basis. Not only will the sun clear up your spots on your face, but it will also give you a pleasant tint. It will also make your teeth whiter. Look at the difference between me, who is pale, and then me, who is tan. There is a noticeable difference. And if you seriously want to glow up, you must start prioritizing getting sun. I recommend that whenever it's sunny out, you get some unrefined, organic, virgin coconut oil. You lather a thin layer on your body and you maybe go out for a walk with your tarp off, or you go to a safe, private place where nobody's gonna see you and you can bathe in the sun. And you will then notice not only how much better you feel, but how much better you look as well. And finally, habit number 5, not hydrating. Water is the lubrication to your brain. Your brain is 85% water. So if you're not feeding it, then it's just going to be pinched up and irritable. You're not going to be functioning to the level to where you even have the energy to go do good things for yourself, like getting to the gym or eating the right foods. You're not going to have the proper judgment or motivation to eat the right foods or get better sleep and do these things that is going to glow you up if you are not hydrating. You have never felt the energy and the body high that drinking a gallon of water does for you the day before and when you wake up the next morning. And it's sad that you've never experienced this before, because you have never experienced this brand new level of consciousness that you never knew could be achieved before. It is truly one of the best ways to flush out the toxins in your body, which will flush out the bad complexion that you have and all the spots that you have all over your skin. And it will give you the energy to perform the proper habits in order to have a glow up. Do not make the mistake of failing to hydrate, because you will fail to glow up. In conclusion, you guys, these are the 5 mistakes that kept me from glowing up. And if I would have known that these were mistakes that I was making, I could have saved myself from years of suffering. I wish there was somebody at the time when I was busted and down bad who was telling me about these mistakes that I could have avoided. So that's exactly what I want to do for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button. And if you need a workout program to actually get in the gym, start lifting weights and transform your physique, then scroll down into the description. I have a free workout program that you can download and get started with your transformation today. Peace and love, everybody. I'm about to catch y'all in the next one. Let's go.